Okay, children. I hope you all are good. Come on, let's start with our studies. But before studying, what do? We do the revision. Yes, so come on, we will revise the rhymes. You all remember which rhymes? Twinkle, twinkle, little star and rain, rain. Very good, children. Now, come on, we'll start. Rain, rain, right? Come on, we'll sing it together. Rain, rain, come again today. Little children love to say, rain, rain, come again. One more time. Okay. Rain, rain, come again today. Little children love to say, rain, rain, come again. Okay, now the second rhyme. You all remember the actions what I taught you all that day? Yes, the twinkle, twinkle one. Okay, we'll start. Now, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good. One more time. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, children, so now let's move on to our next rhyme, which is I hear thunder. Oh, can you all hear something? The sound of thunder. My God. So, the name of the rhyme is I hear thunder. Come on, we'll start now. Come on, we'll sing the rhyme now. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. I hope you all are singing with teacher. Yes? Come on, we'll do again with the actions, okay? See to teacher how teacher is doing the action. Oh, look at me and do the actions, okay? Come on. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. Very good, children. Clap your hands. Now we will move on to our next topic for today, which is opposite words. Opposite words हमने पहले भी किए हैं. We have done some opposite words, right? So now we are going to do one new opposite word today. Children, do you all know where we stay? We stay in the house. हम घर के अंदर रहते हैं, right? And the birds कहाँ रहते हैं? Crow कहाँ रहता है? Outside the house. It flies up in the sky, right? And it stays on the tree. So, we are in the house and the birds are out of the house. So, the opposite for in is out. Okay? In का opposite है out. Come on, say it with teacher. In, out. One more time. In, out. Now you all say in, out. Very good. One more time. With teacher. In, out. Come on. In, out. Very good, children. Now we'll move on to our next topic for today, which is vegetables. You all eat vegetables, right? I told you all you should eat vegetables so that you stay strong and healthy. Vegetables are very good for our health, right? So we need to eat vegetables. So we already learned some vegetables. Now we are going to learn some new vegetables. So now children, we will revise vegetables. Potato. Yes. Which vegetable is this? This is potato. You all eat French fries? Yes? Yeah. So that French fries is made out of potato. Very good. Say it with teacher. Potato. Very good. One more time. Potato. Pumpkin. What is the name of this vegetable? Pumpkin. Come on, repeat with teacher. Pumpkin. Very good. One more time. Yes. Pumpkin. Very good. Now our third vegetable for today. Which is this vegetable? It is having a crown. Okay children, this is brinjal. Yes. Which vegetable is this? This is brinjal. You know what? This brinjal is king of all the vegetables. Yes. Why you know? Because it has a crown on its head. Yes. So this vegetable is king of vegetables. So whenever teacher asks you which vegetable is the king of vegetables, you all need to say brinjal. Okay. One more time. Brinjal. Okay, so our next vegetable is tomato. Very good. Come on, say it with teacher. Tomato. One more time. Tomato. You all know we eat French fries with what? We eat French fries with ketchup, right? So that ketchup is made out of tomato. Very good. It's a carrot. Come on, say it with teacher. Carrot. Yes, we use carrot in salads, right? We eat carrots, right? So we should eat carrots. You know why? It will improve our vision. It will improve our vision. You all know what is the meaning of vision? We can see very nicely. Yes. Okay. So we should eat carrots. Okay children. So let's move on to our new vegetables. But before moving on to our new vegetables, I'll ask you all a question. Whenever you eat something spicy, spicy means what? स्पाइसी का मतलब क्या होता है? तीखा. हम तेज खा लेते हैं कुछ भी तो उसे बोलते हैं स्पाइसी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो विच वेजिटेबल टेस्ट स्पाइसी? विच वेजिटेबल टेस्ट हॉट? चिली. यस, इट्स वेरी हॉट. चिली. कम ऑन, से इट विद टीचर. चिली. वेरी गुड. वन मोर टाइम. Chili. Very good children. Now the next vegetable is onion. Mama makes pakoda, bhajia, right? So it is made out of onion. Okay? Come on, say with teacher now. Onion. One more time. Onion. Now repeat with teacher. Onion. Very good children. One last time. Onion. Very good. Now it's time for us to say bye. No, it's time for us to do the revision. So we will revise. You all remember which rhyme we learned today? We learned I hear thunder. We hear thunder, right? In rain? Yes. So it's called as thunder. Now we'll say the rhyme. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. Okay. So now clap your hands. Very good. Now we'll move on to our next topic which we learned. You all remember opposite words? Yes. So come on, we will revise. The opposite word for in is out. Come on, say it with teacher. In, out. One more time. In, out. Very good. Now the last topic, vegetables. We will revise. Okay children, so which vegetable is this? You all remember? It's very hot when we eat. Chili. Very good. Come on, say it with teacher. Chili. Very good. One more time. Chili. Yes. Now the second one. You all remember? Which vegetable is this? Onion. Mama makes pakoras, right? So it is made out of onions. Come on, say with teacher. Onion. One last time. Onion. Very good, children. I hope you all enjoyed studying today. Yes? Okay, so it's time for us to say bye. But I hope you all are taking care of yourself and your family and studying at home. Right? Yes, you have to study at home. Then only teacher will give you a big star. Okay? Come on, we'll say bye.